How to make a sticky header in WordPress. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a sticky header on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your WordPress website. I have opened up my test website that I am hosting on Pantheon site, and this is my WordPress website. So you will open up the dashboard. This is where you will get. Today I'll show you how to create a sticky header for your website on WordPress, which looks pretty good and it makes your website very efficient and professional. What is a sticky header? Whenever you open up a website or you are reading a blog, you might have seen when we scroll down on a website, the header remains there. And we can always access the navigation bar and we can access all of the different things. So the header remains there. It does not disappear when we scroll down. So that is what a sticky header is called. Like, it sticks on your screen even if you scroll down all the way to the bottom. So we want to create a header like that for our website. It's really easy. Once you get to the WordPress website, you have to scroll down to the plugins and click on Add New. Today we will be adding a free plugin to create a sticky header. Here I can add new plugins. In the search bar, I'm going to search for sticky header. Once you search for sticky header, you will find different plugins. You can see we have sticky menu and sticky header, floating notification bar. You can see this is an example what they're giving. A sticky menu on scroll, announcement banners. Then we have sticky header effects for Elementor. Then we have this one. So you have to install one of these plugins. I will suggest installing the first one or the second one. You can see this one has 100,000 active installation. This one also has 100,000 active installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one and install this floating notification bar and sticky menu on scroll. It will just take a second to install. Once done, click on activate. Alright, so here we have our My Sticky Menu plugin. We have the dashboard, create new welcome bar, contact form, sticky menu, recommended plugins, and more. So I need to just sign into this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, or we can do it later as well. So let's actually do it later and let's get to the dashboard for our sticky header. So we have a welcome bar. That's what they took us to, but I'm going to go to the sticky menu settings right here. Okay, so here we have sticky menu. First of all, you have to enable this option so that you are allowing your WordPress to actually create a sticky header. Add sticky menu header to any theme. You have to add this to a theme so that it creates a sticky menu. Now, the header that you already have on you don't need to create a new header. Keep that in mind. You have a header on your website, but we will convert it into a sticky header so that it does not move. We have enabled this option. We have the plugin. Now, what we need to do is we need to actually work on some settings before we add this HTML to our theme. In the settings, we have sticky Z index. So you will enter your index here. It also has a default index and all of these settings ready for you. So you can just get started, but I need to show you guys how to do the settings. Disable at small screen sizes. So if you want to disable it to or minimize it to some of the pixels, then you can select a pixel here. If it's 0, that means that it will be disabled. Make visible on scroll at home page. If set 0, it will use initial make visible on scroll value, or you can select a pixel yourself. Then we have sticky transition time, 0.3 seconds. Sticky opacity. If you want to maybe blur it a little bit and make it transparent, then you can decrease the opacity of your menu. But we're going to keep it to 90 so that it's actually clear. Then we have some of the options here. Fade or slide effect. If you want to fade your sticky header, then you can select fade, or if you want to slide it, then you can select the slide option. Make visible on scroll, sticky background color. What color you will be going for, because if it disappears or if it's disabled or if it fades, what color should be the background? So you can select it according to your theme. That's what I will suggest. Instead of selecting a white color or a black, you should go with a theme color. For example, if your theme is purple, your header is purple, go for a purple color. It looks really good. Then we have sticky text color. For the text color, I will suggest going for, again, the text color you have on your theme, because we want to blend it with our theme. We don't want to make an impression that, okay, this was done later, or this is like a plugin added. So you will have to blend in with your website. Then we have hide on scroll down. We have page targeting and CSS style. Then we have disable. Now, this is the page menu that I have. These are my pages on my website. This is where you will be able to find the pages of your website. And if you want to disable this sticky menu on any of the pages, if a page, you want the page to be clear and you do not want the header to be there, you can select a page where you want to disable this option. So for now, I'm not going to select any page. Use this option if you plan to include CSS style manually. So I can add this integration to my theme. But if you want to do it manually by adding CSS, then you can do it. Click this option and you will get a CSS that you can add to your website. Click on save. Once done, click on save. And here we have our own sticky menu ready. Now what we need to do is we need to open up our theme. So I'm going to go to my main menu right here, go to the appearance, click on themes. In themes, you have to select the theme that you have. The first one is going to be the theme that you have selected, and it will have the customize option. This is the theme that I have. I'm going to select customize. It'll take me right here on this website, and you can see we have our own menu right here. We have all of the options to customize. So if you do not have the plugin, you will not see this option. But if you have sticky header plugin, then you will find the sticky header option right here. It also depends on the theme that you have selected. So I'm going to select sticky header. There you go. Make the header sticky. Check this option, and your header will be sticky, and it will stay right here. Make the header align full. Remove the header sticky settings when the plugin is disabled. Then we have all of the different options. Background color is white. We can select the background color again, as I told you, according to your theme. Header height, vertical spacing, minified header height, minified vertical spacing, mobile and tablet headers. Make sure to adjust these sizes so that your website is mobile friendly. Menu and submenu extra, hide labels. So you have to select all of these options in order to create a site header, a sticky site header. The selector for the header element for this theme is going to be site header, and for Astray theme is message. So what you need to do is, now there is no coding required or anything. You just customize it from within your page. Once you're done with this option, you can click on save, and your header will be converted into a sticky header on your WordPress website. This way, you will be able to create an interactive and professional website on WordPress. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.